Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show. We got about a few shows. Your greatest fantasy. We got also, I got a long talking. Just run the damn show, yo. Straight goods. One time. Let's get into it. Boy. Crazy fantasies. Let's go. Let's go. Crazy fantasies.
Dirtiest fantasy. I always wanted to get the, like, once a guy and put it in my smoothie and blend it up and drink it as a drink. I don't know why. I just feel like it's good protein, but I just never could get to be enough to put in a drink. It's always like they'll and I'll rub it all over my and then so yeah, just like a smoothie. That's my fantasy. What flavors do you think would go good together? And definitely mango and strawberry. That's like
what flavors? The jizz juice.
Yeah, I feel like it's just gonna add a good flavor to it because the mango's gonna, it's gonna enhance the mango and the strawberry flavor, and then it's gonna add the protein to where you don't need to add the protein. So I've always wanted to try that, and just drink it, and then just after that have again. Ooh, okay.
Cool. 8 to 10.
10 guys a night.
Mhm.
And how many days a week?
Shit.
Yo, check out the calculation on this, yo.
Pretty much 7 unless I'm going out with friends or something.
Holy frijoles!
60, 70 guys a week.
Pretty much, yeah.
Damn!
Tight though.
So I did the calculation. Look at the calculation here.
You've been doing this how many years?
Since I was
56 men, right? 56 men times 52 weeks is 2,912 men per year she sleeps with. Jeez.
14, so 3.
Your body count's got to be high.
Mm-hmm.
What's the upside and downside of that?
The upside, my coochie cat's still tight.
This chick in 1 year would have slept with approximately, so her body count's somewhere between 8,736 men up to 10,920 men. Her body count. Yo.
The downside, it's not really no downside. I get paid for what I do. Bitches lay on their back for free.
There's no downside. Diseases? No? No downside? Diseases? No? Stank cooch? No downside? No? All right.
Don't get nothing but a 4 for 4 from Wendy.
Do you still believe in love?
Ain't no way.
And you've been doing this how many years?
Since I was 14, so 3.
Your body count's got to be high.
Mm-hmm.
What's the upside and downside of that?
The upside, my coochie cat's still tight. The downside, it's not really no downside. I get paid for what I do. Bitches lay on their back for free and don't get nothing but a 4 for 4 from Wendy.
Do you still believe in love?
Ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way.
It's really embarrassing, but I locked myself out of my house.
All right, so how many men would get themselves in trouble over situations like this? Shorty comes over and says she's locked out of the house, and how do you handle that situation?
Oh, you do that all the time. Don't be embarrassed.
I was hoping you could help me. There's a window open, but I can't reach it. Would you mind?
Don't do it.
Yeah, sure.
Don't do it, bro.
Of course.
If I knew a man was going to climb into my bedroom window, I would have cleaned up a bit.
Are you kidding me? It smelled great in there, like lotions and oils for dry skin and, callus.
Yeah, it's a candle.
Mm-hmm.
What's wrong?
The bike's gone.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. Can I help you find it?
Thank you.
Hello, hi there.
Oh, no. So now dude is with his wife.
Hi again. Hi. I found your bike.
What?
Oh, good. At the gas station?
No, at my house. One of my neighbors saw it and put it in my garage when you were in my bed.
That just hurts.
Bedroom, so.
One of my neighbors saw it when you're in my bedroom.
Good afternoon, parents. Good afternoon, boys and girls.
Hold on.
You find it?
Thank you.
Let's go.
Hello, hi there. Hi again.
Hi.
I found your bike.
Oh, good. At the gas station?
No, at my house. One of my neighbors saw it and put it in my garage when you were in my bedroom, so.
Good afternoon, parents. Good afternoon, boys and girls.
Shut the f***
Hey!
Not nice.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
You need to leave?
No!
Okay.
Yeah, he's out.
My fear is,
Yo, that kid.
Shut up! Shut up!
Kid was brutal, yo. The kid was absolutely brutal. Let's go.
Hey!
Not nice.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
You need to leave?
No!
Shut up!
Yeah, he's out.
My fear is, showing my dad my girlfriend.
Why would you fear that?
She's black, and my dad doesn't, like black people.
You guys like black people?
No.
And your girlfriend's black?
Yes.
So why doesn't your dad like black people?
What do you mean you're not gonna pay for the bill?
No, I'm not paying for the bill.
So you're not gonna be a gentleman and pay for your half?
Why would I pay half?
Can you at least like contribute a little bit, pay for something?
Dude, I don't even know you.
You are one pathetic loser.
Who is Zoe?
Oh boy.
Who?
Zoe.
All right, so now this girl here has a work husband. And any woman that talk about they have a work husband, get rid of her immediately. And a blood clot work husband. Get rid of her immediately. She talk about she having a work husband, bro. So let's go. Who is Zoe?
So you stop playing that. The dude already showed me the message. I'm on it. Just
I
be
don't
real.
know. So what are you talking about?
You don't know. So if I hit him up, you not gonna know him?
My coworker?
Oh, yeah. Now you remember.
Now she knows.
You've been around, so that's my coworker. That's like my friend. That's like my partner.
Guys, don't fall for this shit. Oh, you been around him. You know him. No, he's hitting it, bro. Let's go. Right? Because this girl's talking all kind of thing about, oh, you know him. You've been around him. He's just my work friend. But does Zoe's wife know that you and Zoe have something going on? I bet not.
Do this on Christmas Eve.
It's not actually Christmas Eve.
So I got to give Buddy Boy a shout out and props. He's getting rid of her on Christmas Eve. Well, actually, it's not Christmas Eve. It's right after 12 o'clock.
Actually past 12. I waited for Christmas on a dot to start this off. It's 12:15. You can look. It's Christmas.
12:15.
Merry Christmas. Since you want to be a little Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
You serious?
Get the out. Go.
Out.
Babe.
Get no. Watch this.
Out.
Do not walk to me. Do not touch me, bro.
Your work husband, go to your work husband's house.
Get out.
Go.
You're not even giving me a chance.
I'm not giving you nothing. Just go. Man. Go what you doing.
Can we talk about
No, we can't talk. I'm not telling Campbell none of that. Get the out. We can't talk.
I'm not Tevin Campbell, guy. We can't talk.
You serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
That don't went all out.
I don't want all the money I spent on you. That don't even compare what I spent on you. Get the out. Go wherever you going.
Come on, like stop
Get the move. Go wherever you going.
You serious?
Yes, go wherever you going.
Yeah, crushed.
Zoe, like you know
Bro, go wherever you're
Go.
going. I don't know what you
Beavis and Butthead, go.
What could Zoe have told you like that? Because you
Bro,
couldn't
can
see.
you
Go.
just go wherever you going?
Where am I supposed to
Go
go?
by your mom or some when you stand up first. Go by Zoe. I don't give a just go.
You told me I ain't never gotta go back over there. We doing this right now?
Get that's before this, man. That's all out the window. That's all out the
3
door.
years out the window.
That's out the door. Get
3?
the
Go.
You don't throw.
bro. I swear to God, just get the out. I'm not touching. I'm gonna move. I'm not putting my hands. Just leave. Just leave. In 3 years, give me that much respect. Just leave. All right.
This unwarranted attack on my person.
Just get the out, man.
I think she realized it's time to go. For real, for real.
Or can I
Crushed.
at least get the rest of the things I have upstairs?
I
Crushed.
don't, you got 3 minutes, man. Hurry up. 3 minutes. Get the out, son. Go by Zoe. All that. Get your come on. Time ticking. You might as well hurry up. Bro, time ticking. Just go. Get your go. Leave for real.
I thought we was.
Just leave, bro.
Oh boy.
Just go.
Bro waited till Christmas, yo, to reveal her flop, bro.
Just go, man. Damn.
She's thinking, like, was Zoe worth it? Was your little work friend worth it? Let's go.
Man, this mother is hard. Just
Here's her last attempt now.
leave, please.
You gonna listen to somebody like Zoe?
Bro, oh my God. Just go. Just go.
Like,
Just go. Just go, please.
you know what I be doing.
No, he
Come on,
don't.
Go. Get the man.
No, he don't.
I'm gonna call you Uber for Christmas. That's my gift for you right there. Uber. Get the out.
What you on your Uber?
Go get the
Now she's swearing. Now she's mad.
Check this out.
But she got booked. And now she's upset. Let's go.
Oh, stupid. You drove. Caught your stupid.
Out of there.
Let me just say this, ladies, when you do sneaky stuff behind his back, when he asks you a straightforward question and you can't answer him in a straightforward manner, when you do stuff that causes him to lose trust within your connection, stop going back and saying that, oh, he's insecure. Oh, well, you're not my father.
Right.
You're being controlling. No, the fact is that you're being misleading. You're lying. You're trying to cover up stuff. You're operating in secrecy, but yet you want him to tell you the truth, and you don't want him doing nothing sneaky behind your back, but yet you're being untrustworthy. Get the fuck out.
Well, I'm sure if I could see your choral arrangements, I'd be very prominent too.
Okay, so now we enter into the zone of Mr. Anderson, this sweet talking Jamaican older man, seducing this lady here. Let's go. Anderson.
The M1 is a long, straight, hard road.
Yes.
Come on. You and me should partake in the many joys of the motorway system. Let me cross your central reservation. I want to negotiate your orbital ring road. Oh yes, I've got some motorway services you won't complain about.
Is she bothering you, Ruth?
Oh, no, Uncle. It's all right.
Is this another one of your nieces?
No. She's my home help.
She must be a great help around the home. I'm sure she keeps your old china well polished.
He needs some milk.
This brother needs to stop the madness.
Come on, Mrs. Johnson.
It's Sunday. This is a church trip. If you want to talk to me today, you talk about the good book. Okay?
No problem.
All right.
I's David. You is Goliath. There's Moses. You is the fatted calf.
Out he goes.
Mrs. Johnson. You know they say travel expands the mind? Well, let me tell you, it expands other things too.
So, yo, make sure you stick around for the next episode, or you look into my next video for the next episode. And remember to like and subscribe. All right, let's go. This guy's a trip, yo. Mr. Johnson, Mr. Anderson, and Mrs. Johnson. Let's go.
Donovan, I don't have time. I have to arrange the church summer outing before service this evening.
Forget the church.
It takes so easy for men to have fun. And yo, when men leave their house, we try to leave with as little bit of stuff we have as we can in our pocket. You know what?
Their homes with no bag, no water bottle, no.
Right, come here. For every man, we only leave the house with 3 things.
What's that?
That is phone, wallet, keys. We only need the 3 things because anything more than 3, we're losing them.
Exactly.
Yes.
Okay. All right, schooling time now. This girl decided to use the Bible, and this guy is Mr. Bible.
In that whole long Bible, give me one Bible verse.
Matthew 10:22. You shall be hated for preaching my word.
That's ironic you say that because you haven't been preaching his word, you've been making up the word. That verse in Matthew is referring to men because the Bible specifically says that women should not be preachers or speakers of the word, and when they don't understand the word, they should ask a man. And when they're in the church house, they should sit in silent subjection to men.
Damn.
Is that in the Bible?
Checkmate.
Men are so superficial.
Would you date a guy that's shorter than you?
Absolutely not. I'd at least 6'2".
At least 6'2".
Yeah.
How tall are you?
5'5".
Okay. So who is superficial? She just contradicts herself 100% right there. Let's go.
5'5".
Yeah.
So 6'2".
Well, 5'6", 5'5".
6'2" bare minimum.
Yeah, I just like tall dudes.
Women are more than men. She's feeling that.
After working out for years, this woman noticed that she started to look a bit too strong in her outfits.
Look at this. I can't wear a tube top because it looks stupid. Look at that. It's stupid. It looks stupid.
You know, sometimes you got to let the woman realize for herself, because if a man had told her that she's working out too much, she'd have been like, oh, you're trying to control me. You're trying to tell me how to go. You're trying to stop your blood clotting eyes. You know, see how you look like a man now, girl?
He needs some milk.
Yeah, and it's a she, so what?
Stay up. Even so. I just want to look cute, guys.
No, that's not going to happen, so. This looks like one of my Caucasian friends.
It's okay.
It's okay. Move your blood
Don't never
clot.
get tired of fucking. Don't no man want to come home to no woman that's talking about she tired.
All right, so women need to hear this. Rewind that just a little bit still. Men never get tired of sex, of sex. Men never get tired of sex. Go.
Don't no man want to come home to no woman that's talking about she tired. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. I ain't in the mood. You ain't gonna be in the mood, but Keisha down the street finna throw that ass back. Keisha finna fuck your man like you fucked him when you first met him. Keisha from down the street can't wait.
So she drove my car to your house for real, bro.
All right, so this shorty here on the screen, she got caught cheating. All right, she got caught. And the dude is on the phone with the dude that she was cheating with. So let's see how that goes. Let's see.
All the way clean.
She drove his car to go see him.
Wow. Why would you do that?
See the other man.
Why would you drive my car?
About twice so far.
Hold on, what?
Jeez.
Yeah, about twice.
Dude is selling her out.
She drove my car twice?
Nice.
Yep. I don't know if you seen my phone in the Bluetooth. That ABM Ali.
Oh, man. The man even connected his phone to the Bluetooth to blood clot, bro.
Huh?
Said I connected my phone to the Bluetooth and everything. That ABM Ali. That was on the Bluetooth. That was my
All right, Orbia alert. Dirty blood clot, girl. You know what Orbia is? Orbia is when women do trying to use black magic, pretty much voodoo, to try and keep a man. So in Jamaica, I think this is definitely the Caribbean. I don't know. It looks like Jamaica, to be honest with you. And yes, I can say that because I'm a born Jamaican. So it looked like a yard thing still. So what happens is the woman I take off our panty, and she take our panty now and put it into the food that the man is going to eat. That's why we have a saying in Jamaica, so don't make any and anybody cook for you, and don't eat and eat from any and anybody. Don't let anybody cook for you, and don't just go around eating from anyone's house or anyone's pot, because you never know what they can do. I know I spoke long, but you gotta see this, yo. You got to see this. What's she doing? What's she doing? What's she doing? Obia alert, right? So she's cooking up a pot right now. That's why you don't eat from people. Now she's taking off her underwear, right? AKA the panty, right? Oh my God, this is how you tie a man. What we call it, tie a man. This is how you get a man to never ever leave you, is so they say, by using this black magic. So she take the panty now, what she took off, and she's putting it into the stew that she's making. Watch. Wow. See her stirring it around? And now she's going to start dancing. She's letting the panty simmer. Let the panty juice simmer. Who got the keys to the bimmer? Panty juice a sim simmer. Panty juice a sim simmer. I hope she doesn't feed that child with that panty juice drink, that panty juice soup, All right, so look, what's going to happen right now. Every country, every island does this bull crap. Look, you see all the flags? Now she take out the panty now. Let it stew some more. So now what happens is she takes the panty out now, and then she lets the soup just be regular soup and serves it to the man. And apparently after him having that, it's such a tasteful, delightful bomba-clot dish. Rasclat. Yeah? That's supposed to keep him in check and supposed to keep him with her forever. Okay? So that's absolutely bullcrap, and you don't know, we don't do black magic. We're not endorsing voodoo. We're not endorsing Orbia. So Let's go. Mr. Show.
So why can't we cheat too?
First of all, masculine women.
So the lady asks, why can't we cheat too? So let's go.
And if 20 women touch this cup, I could easily clean it off.
Okay.
But if 20 men dip their hand in it, the water is going to be nasty, and I don't want it anymore.
Yeah, this guy here walks in, sees his wife in the tub, loving up a next man. What would you do? What would you do? Oh boy. Speechless. What's that? What's that in his hand?
He needs some milk.
You got to stick around to the next episode to see what exactly happened in that episode. All right, so next one's called Snow Bunny Heaven.
Yes, his magic is a blessing. When I die, I'ma go to Snow Bunny Heaven. Women love my ski. Yes, his magic is a blessing.
Yo, this is clearly just to provoke some women on the internet, right? Snow Bunny Heaven. Yes, Woody.
He needs some milk.
Well, he's getting that milk right now. Go.
Snow Bunny Heaven. Snow Bunny Heaven. That's my destination.
What you mean take you to jail?
All right, so now, look at this. She got caught cheating. Dude has her phone, and she is absolutely losing it. It's not even funny. Let's go.
Cheating with a Vamos a hablar, por favor. Let's just talk. Let's just fucking talk, please.
What is it talk about? What can I talk about?
That he's my cousin. He needs some milk.
That's the classic Bumbleclot line. He's my cousin. He's my cousin. Cousin is ramming up that blood clot, bro. Watch. Watch.
Yo, you look crazy.
Open the door.
No, get away from my car, yo. Like, you gotta go. You bugging.
Why not?
Because that's my privacy.
If it's just your friend, let me see your phone. I just want to see. So is he picking you up?
All right, remember earlier, right? This is Shorty, because I kept it on a still shot. It was on a still shot earlier, but this is a Shorty here from earlier.
Asking you to use your phone?
Is he picking you up?
Yes.
So let me see your phone. I just want to see confirmation.
No.
I just want to see confirmation.
She's going to drop me off. I'm going to take an Uber there.
Wow. You think I'm boo-boo the fool, don't you?
Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like and subscribe. It's redpillrixter. Do it big. Oh, yeah.
He needs some milk.